Alright, so first thing first, you're gonna have to clean this surface area really well with a microfiber cloth. So just clean it, and you make sure you clean the underside of it too. That's even more important. Rub, and just really rub this area. So there's this curvature here. So you wanna, keep this in mind. And then you wanna use this alignment strip that's provided in the kit to get the alignment line in. So what you do is you try to align where the middle of the curvature is, which could be a little daunting. You just gotta estimate. You just gotta feel it. Just feel the car, feel the curve, and then just work your way to the right, little by little. There you go. And then just check for any imperfections that you see. So like, for example, this thing could be a little more straight. This part could be a little more straight. And then okay, here's the sheet right here. So I'm just gonna peel it off. Well, just like, just about 4 to 6 inches. And then what you wanna do is you wanna align against the alignment strip, and you want to have approximately about 4 to 5 millimeter outward so that you can have it over the edge. So you're gonna hear it over. So this is what you can have approximately. Get it in line with the alignment strip as best as you can. And then once you're here, just use your finger and just rub it downward, okay? Just rub it downward. And then grab another 6 inch of material. Same thing. The key is to align the wrap at the top to the alignment strip as shown. And then just gently rub it down with your finger. Grab another 6 inch and just get it as close as you can. And then just rub. And then grab another 6 inch. Okay. Okay. Just make sure you get all the air bubbles out. Use just the skin of your thumb. Do not use your fingernail. And then just keep going until you reach to the other side. Get it on as best as you can. You might have to stretch the material a little bit, which is fine. But just get it up there. Okay. So now that's done. So first things first, just get this thing, work on the middle first, okay? And just slowly just work around the edge. Okay. Just wrap around the edge. And then once you get to this side, we do the same thing, just little by little, maybe in a 1 inch increment. So once you get to the corner, you will encounter creasing, which is normal. But the most important part is you want to hide the crease behind the curve, so that when you close it, trunk, you don't see it. So just give it some hard rubbing so that you'll actually adhere over the curvature, like so. There you go. And then, so this side's done. And then you're gonna work on this side next. In 1 inch increment. Mostly the corner. Okay. Okay, now that's done. You peel off the alignment strip. And there you have it. Got it. There you go. Done.